Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to create bar graphs. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so we're starting our new unit today, and in this unit, we're going to be learning about how to create and interpret different types of graphs. And in today's video, we're going to be learning about how to create bar graphs. So in a moment, we're going to be doing an IXL where we're going to be learning about how to create bar graphs. And the way that we're going to be doing that is by reading the problem and then using the information in the problem to help us solve it. So let's try a few problems together. All right, so this first problem reads, Irving Street has 8 stop signs, Mason Street has 5 stop signs, Smith Street has 6 stop signs, and Walker Street has 5 stop signs. Use this data to complete the bar graph below. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Okay, so what this bar graph is showing is the different stop signs. And if we look, the x-axis is showing the different streets, and the y-axis is showing the number of stop signs. And if we look, Irving Street, Smith Street, and Walker Street are already filled in for us, and we need to figure out Mason Street. So if we look back to the problem, it's saying that Mason Street has 5 stop signs. So all we need to do is simply drag the bar up to the number of stop signs that the problem asks us, which in this case is 5. So the answer for this problem is 5, because we took a look at the problem and saw that Mason Street had 5 stop signs, so that told me that we were going to drag the bar up to 5. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this next problem reads, the Parks Department compared how many soccer fields there are at each park. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph below. Okay, so this table is showing the soccer fields, the park, and the number of soccer fields. So if we look here, Elmhurst Park has 8 soccer fields, Lighthouse Park has 6 soccer fields, Moon Park has 10 soccer fields, Crane Park has 4 soccer fields, Windy Hill Park has 10 soccer fields, and Juniper Park has 2 soccer fields. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Alright, so what this bar graph is showing is the soccer fields. And if we look, the x-axis is showing the different parks, and the y-axis is showing the number of soccer fields. And if we look, Elmhurst Park, Moon Park, Crane Park, Windy Hill Park, and Juniper Park are already filled in for us, and we need to figure out Lighthouse Park. So if we look back to this chart, it's saying that Lighthouse Park has 6 soccer fields. So all we need to do in this problem is, like we did before in the last problem, we just need to drag the bar up to what the problem is asking us, which is the number of soccer fields, and that is 6. So the answer for this problem is 6, because we took a look at the table and saw that the number of soccer fields for Lighthouse Park was 6. So that told me that we were going to drag the bar up to 6. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. All right, so this next problem reads, Ballard Furniture exports is shipping pieces of furniture made out of different types of wood. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph below. Alright, so this chart is showing us the furniture, the type of wood, the desk, and the bed. So for mahogany, we have 1,000 for desks and 300 for beds. For oak, we have 400 for desks and 700 for beds. And for walnut, we have 600 for desks and 500 for beds. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Alright, so what this bar chart is showing is the furniture. And we have type of wood for the x-axis and piece of furniture for the y-axis. And if we look, mahogany, oak, and part of walnut have been filled in. And we need to figure out the bed for walnut. So if we look, we have 500 for walnut. So that tells me that we're going to drag this bar up to 500. So the answer to this problem is 500, because we took a look and saw that we needed to fill out the bed for walnut, and we dragged the bar chart up to 500 for walnut. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Okay, so this next problem reads, the county released data about how many schools there are in each town. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph below. Okay, so this table is showing the schools in each town, the town, and the number of schools. So for Richmond, there's 5. For Springfield, there's 8. For Columbia, there's 6. For Ashland, there's 9. For Chestertown, there's 7. And for Marion, there's 9. Click to set the height of a missing bar. Okay, so this chart is showing the schools in each town. And for the x-axis, we have the town, and for the y-axis, we have the number of schools. And if we look, Richmond, Columbia, Chestertown, and Marion have already been filled in for us, and Springfield and Ashland still need to be filled in. Okay, so if we look for Springfield, we have 8, so we're going to drag the bar up to 8. Okay, yep. And for for Ashland, we have 9. So we're going to drag the bar up to 9. And there we go. So the answers for this problem are 8 and 9 because we took a look and saw that we needed 8 for Springfield and 9 for Ashland. So we dragged the bars up for 8 and 9. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, a reporter looked through her notebook to remember how many people she had interviewed in the past 3 days. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph below. Okay, so if we look, this table is showing the people interviewed, the day, and the number of people. So on Tuesday, there were 7 people. On Wednesday, there were 10 people. And on Thursday, there were also 10 people. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Okay, so this chart is showing people interviewed. And if we look, the x-axis shows the day, and the y-axis shows the number of people. And if we look, Tuesday and Thursday have already been filled in for us. So we need to figure out Wednesday. And if we look back up at the chart, it says on Wednesday there were 10 people. So we need to drag this bar up for Wednesday to 10. And there we go. So the answer for this problem is 10 because we took a look at the chart and saw that we needed to bring the bar up to 10 because there were 10 people on Wednesday. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!